How to remove professional account on Instagram. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up Instagram. And once you do that, click on the profile picture at the bottom right of your screen. Then click on those three lines at the top right corner. Then click on settings, and here you want to click on account, and then you need to scroll all the way down till you see the blue text that says switch account type. Click on it and then click on switch to personal account, because the business account is still a professional account, because in the professional account there's two types, the business and the creator account. So click on switch to personal account, and then a confirmation box will appear that tells you what will happen when you switch to personal account. Click on switch to confirm, and there you have it. Your account has been switched to a personal, and the professional account has been removed. So that was it for this video. That's how you can disable the professional account on Instagram. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.